Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fit and fine at home. And I also hope that you are doing your studies also well at home. So children, today we will start new chapter, chapter 7, and the name of chapter is Parts of a Plant. Parts of a plant. Children, you will see different kind of plants around us. There are different kind of plants, like in that some are small, some are big, some are having very weak stem, some are having very strong stem. So different kind of plants we see in our surrounding. And in this chapter we will study about the different parts of plant. Plant has many different parts. In that, some of parts of plant we are using for our purpose, and some which they are using for their own purpose, like leaf. What is the main role of leaf in the plant? We will study all the parts of plant. We will study in this chapter. So let's see. I have made here one plant here, and you have to label it. From your previous class you also know about it, how to label. So let's label it with me. The first plant, and which grows under the soil below the earth's surface. The part of plant which grows below the surface of the earth, that is called as roots. So you can label here roots. Okay. Then the greenish part, all the leaves of plants are in green color. And why they are in green color? Because they have one substance, and that substance name is, that pigment name is chlorophyll. That's why all the leaves color are green, is green. So what is this part of plant? That is leaf. Leaf you can label here. Then this part, what you can label? This is stem. Yes, very good. Then next part, this part is known as fruit. Okay. All the plants are growing, are having their own fruit. So here I have made this one fruit, so you can label here fruit. Then this is a flower. And the spelling of flower is Flower. Okay, and children, we see some birds also in the plant, the new coming birds. So you can label this as a bud here. Okay, so all these are parts of plant. What these are parts of plant, beta? The part of plant which grows under the soil, that is root. Then by the root, plants absorb water and mineral. So we can see the roots here. Then after this, water and mineral goes in the stem, and stem carries that water and mineral. So this part is called as stem. And the greenish part which you are looking in the plant, that is leaf. And then this one is fruit, then this one is flower, and the smallest leaf which you are looking here, they are called as buds. Okay, the flower bud. From that the flower comes out, from the flower fruit comes out, which we will study. So this is part of plant which we are going to study about today. Now what we are looking, we can divide the part into two parts, beta. The part of plant which you are looking the below the surface of the earth, that is called as root system. उसको हम बोलते हैं root system. And the part of plant which grows above the soil, that is called as shoot system. So a plant can be divided into two systems. The part of plant which grows under the soil, that is called as root system, and the part of plant which grows above the soil, that is called as shoot system. Root system consists only roots in it, and the shoot system consists, as you can see here, it consists many parts of plant. It can consist the stem, it can consist the leaves, it can consist the fruit, it consists flower, then bud. All these parts of plant comes as a shoot system. which grows above the soil on the land, and the root system which grows below the surface of the earth, so that is called as root system. So what we can study here, that we can write here also that plants can be divided into two parts, root system and shoot system. Okay, root system grows downward under the soil. Okay, root system grows downwards and shoot system grows in upward direction, as it can consist all the parts, so and it grows in upward direction. Okay, then after root consists only roots in it, and the shoot consists all these parts. It can consist leaf, it consists stem, it consists flower, it consists fruit, bud, branches. All these parts of plant comes as a shoot system. Now first of all children, we will study about the root system. सबसे पहले हम root system के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Root system क्या होता है? So children, you know that the part of plant which grows under the soil, that is called as root system. What is root system? I am writing here the definition of root system. So you can write here the part of plant that grows below the ground is called root system. Okay, what is root system beta? The part of plant which grows below the ground, below the surface of the earth, that is called as root system. And root system is basically of two types. Roots can be divided into two types. The first type is taproot and the second type is fibrous root. Root can be divided into two parts. Taproot, it is of two types. Roots are of two types. The first one is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. Now what do you mean by taproot and what do you mean by fibrous root? Now what do you mean by taproot? Taproot क्या होती है बेटा? This root consists of one main thick root. A root which is having one main thick root and that grows downward. It has only one main thick root, so that is taproot. And if we will talk about the fibrous root, it is a bunch of many thin roots. Okay, so firstly we will understand about the taproot. The one main, it consists one main thick root. It consists one main thick root. इसकी जो root होती है, suppose if I will make a diagram, you can understand by the diagram. This has one main thick root. इसकी जो root होती है, main thick root होती है. That's why it is called as taproot. इसलिए इसको taproot बोलते हैं क्योंकि इसमें एक one main thick root होती है. And if we will see the fibrous root, so fibrous root is a bunch of many thin root. This root is a bunch of many thin roots. थिन रूट्स होते हैं इसमें. थिन का मतलब होता है पतले पतले, बहुत सारे ग्रुप होता है इनका, एक पूरा बंच होता है, as you can see in fibrous root. And in taproot only one main thick root it is consisting. Okay, so what is taproot? It has one main thick root that grows downwards, so that is called as taproot. And fibrous root, it is a bunch of many kind of thin roots which we can see like this, so that is fibrous root. Now example of taproot, अब हम टैप रूट किस प्लांट्स में होते हैं, फाइब्रस रूट किस में होते हैं, हम उनके एग्जांपल्स लिखेंगे. एग्जांपल ऑफ टैप रूट लाइक पीपल मैंगो, radish, carrot. These are example of tap root. ये tap root के examples हैं. And if you will talk about the fibrous root, in fibrous root, it is found in wheat, it is found in onion, it is found in grass. So all these examples of fibrous root. अगर आप इनके roots अगर check करेंगे, so their roots would be looking like this. It's a bunch of many thin roots. And if you will see the roots of these, आप carrot radish eating करते हो in winter season, they are looking like that. Carrot shape is like that, radish shape is like that. So these are examples of tap root. Okay, children. Now we would study about the function of roots. अब इन roots के function क्या होते हैं? Basically, what are the functions of root? As you can see in this plant, roots are here. So what is the function of roots, beta? As you can see, what do? We give water to the plant. Okay, we are doing irrigation in the plant. Then which part of plant absorb that water and mineral from the soil? So that especially roots are doing. So what is the first main function of the roots? That it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Then after, what do? They are just absorbing water and mineral and sending to the stem. Then after, stem carries that water and mineral and sending to the different parts of plant. But firstly, we are just understanding the function of root. So you study here. The main function of root is to absorb water and mineral from the soil. Then after, how plants able to stand properly, how they are fixed in the soil. So roots basically help the plant to fix in the soil. If roots would not be there, so plants would not be able to stand straight properly. They would fall down. So which part of plant helping the plant to stand properly? That is roots. Okay. Then after, roots. Some of the roots we are using to eat. Which roots we are using to eat? So here I have given you example: radish, carrot, onion. These are the roots which we are using to eat. So some of the roots are having store in them, they are stored food in them which we are using to eat. They are edible roots, and these roots we are using to eat. That is also a function of root. Okay, so now children, we will study about stem. I hope you have understood about roots, and now we will study about stem. So as you can see here, the stem is the main part of the shoot system. स्टैम जो होता है वो शूट सिस्टम का मेन पार्ट होता है. Why it is main? Because it is consisting all the leaves in it, all the branches in it, then fruits, flowers, all the things. Who can carry? Which part of plant can carry? That is stem. And a part of carrying all these things, it is also carrying that water and mineral from the root to other parts of plant also. So it is having main role in the plant. If you will see in stem are basically strong stem also. Some of the plants are having strong stem. Okay, strong stem means जिनका stem जो होता है thick होता है. In banyan we can see, in mango plant you can see. There are many plants which have strong stem, and some of the plant has weak stem. Okay, in weak stem you can see the climbers, जिसको आप बेले बोलते हो, climbers, creepers. So creepers are basically have weak stem and strong stem. All the big plant have thick stem, that is called as trunk also. उसको हम बोलते हैं trunk. Okay, so thick stem is basically called as trunk, which some of the plants have, trees have basically. And weak stem, in that climbers and creepers have, like bitter gourd, if you have seen, जिसको करेला बोलते हो आप. You can see examples like given in your book also, that is bitter gourd. And money plant. Money plant also is a climber which can climb on the walls, which can climb on the trees. Okay, so now we will study about the functions of stem. अब functions क्या होते हैं stem के? As you can see that roots absorb water and mineral from the soil and it carries, stem carries that water and mineral, okay, and just sending it to other parts of plant. Then after, in leaf the food would be ready, because in plants leaves are the kitchen of the plant. It is a food factory of plant in which plants are making their food. So when food would be ready, so this food by the stem it can carry from the leaf to other parts of plant also. Okay, it means कि जितने भी parts of plant हैं उसमें फूड पहुंचाने का काम कौन करता है? स्टेम. स्टेम का काम होता है कि फूड को वो पहुंचाए. सेकेंडली वाटर एंड मिनरल जो उसने रूट से एब्जॉर्ब किया है उसको भी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट तक पहुंचाने का काम वो करता है. देन आफ्टर some of the stems also are edible. In some plants some roots are edible which we are using to eat. If we will talk about the sugar cane, do you know the sugar cane? Sugar cane होता है बेटा गन्ना. We use sugar cane to drink its juice. उसका जूस हम पीते हैं. So that is edible stem हो गया हमारा. Secondly, if we will talk about underground stem, कुछ ऐसे अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम भी होते हैं जिनको हम खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. If we will see the example of these underground stem, that is ginger and that is potato. These are underground stems which we are using to eat. So children, till this chapter you have to read. इतना आपको read करना है and you have to understand it also. Thank you.